everyone. How are you all doing today? Happy Thursday and one day na lang po, weekday na, weekend na. Lola V is here and Lola V will talk about what is your favorite quote? Ano nga po ba ang mga paborito nyong quotes? Meron po ba kayong paboritong quote sa buhay that you apply all the time? Because as for me, dadadala ko po itong quote na ito in my life since as far as I can remember, when I heard this quote before, when I was young, I carry it with me all the time. No, yung lagi yan sumasagi sa isip ko. Although I'm not 100% doing it, sometimes I'm not following it or I mistake yung bang hindi mo sinasadya, nagawa mo sa kapwa mo. So I would like to share with you my favorite quote. It goes like this. Do not do unto others what you don't want others do unto you. It's somewhat biblical, Matthew 7:12, and it is also a golden rule, diba? Yan po nang itururo sa amin yan, natandaan ko po talaga na, golden rule pala siya. No, that's a golden rule. Do not do unto others what you don't want others do unto you. Kaya po, kung ayaw mo po, yan ang mga example po dito. If you don't want to scam people, then if you don't want to be scammed, ganun pala yun. If you don't want to be scammed, don't scam people, diba? If you want people to be honest and would not cross you, don't also do that to other people. So you be honest and be truthful to yourself, especially with this business. So I found this business 2 years ago, no? And I still carry that quote that about Matthew 7:12. Now, this is the kind of business that is not a scam. It is legitimate, and I can do it anywhere I want, just using my phone, laptop, and Wi-Fi or cell phone. So, and I can have my freedom of time, work, and travel, of course, which everybody wants. Because if we are tied up with our job, you are also tied up with the time that is everybody is longing for, to have enough time for themselves and for their family or for their loved ones, diba? That is just a fact. Na gusto natin makapamasyal naman tayo. Excuse me. Makapamasyal tayo, mabigyan natin ng magandang buhay ang ating pamilya o yung loved ones natin, diba? So, nung nakita ko po ito, I could do this. Kasi hindi tayo this business leverage on the following, no? Leverage on the following. It's a digital attraction business. It is the platform is on the digital world. Could be TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Yan po ang platform niya. And then it values, the good thing, it values the following, the people in it. It values the people, it values the relationship. Kaya po nagustuhan ko siya kasi relationship po siya about people, on how to kasi if you don't trust someone, di ba? Hindi mo yan papasukin. Kung hindi ka nagtatrust sa tao na yan, hindi mo gagawin yan o hindi mo papasukin ang business na yan. That's a good thing with the business. We value trust, we value commitment, we value the respect. Okay? And also, this is a community of helpers. Imagine po, when I joined the business, binigyan po ako agad ng lifetime free mentor and a coach. Kaya, at long-term po ang growth. Paano po yung long-term growth? Every week po meron kaming mastermind na tinatawag where everybody who had been seasoned in the business will share their best practices, their strategies, the things that they've gone through, testimonies, and sharing what we can do in order for us to also become like them and be successful in the business. The trajectory in this business is just to be successful. It's just 5 to 6 years, and then you will earn already that passive residual income. That is if you are consistent, if you are determined, and if you are driven to do the business. Of course, lahat naman, di ba? Kapag motivated ka, determined ka, you are driven, but hindi ka consistent about the whatever endeavor is that, you will not be successful. Kailangan po talaga tututukan siya, di ba? And of course, focus. We have to be laser focused. Like the horses. Horses are covered with their ears, diba? Because they wanted, the masters wanted them to just run straight. Focus on the road that he has to run. Ganyan din po sa lahat ng klase or any endeavor that we will engage with. Be laser focused and be consistent. Based from my masterminds, core fundamentals that I have attended, because I've been religiously really attending those masterminds we have. It was said that consistency is really the key to success. That's why I'm here for 2 years in a row now, and I have been sharing with all of you the business that I am into. Siyempre, kung nakikita nyo lang ako, hindi kayo naniniwala, hindi nyo titignan, hindi nyo sisilipin, hindi nyo aalamin, pero interesado kayo, pero wala kayong ginagawa, nothing will happen, di ba? Ganun lang po yon. So, kung naiisip nyo na yung family ko, I have to give good future for my family, especially my children, my husband or my wife or my siblings, ganyan. I wanted to help them. I wanted to give them the best of life, become happy, ganyan. So you will think of something. And if naiisip nyo, maganda itong business na ito, interesado ka, di ba? Kasi online siya, hindi siya nag-ask ng a lot of time from you to do it. 30 minutes, 1 hour, plug into the business and you can do the business because you can do this anywhere. Yun ang kagandahan. And you don't need to sell. That's a good thing here. You don't need to ship any products. Walang inventory of the products like other businesses. This one, nothing. You just plug into the different platforms, attract people to come to the business, which is some of us will call us scammers or whatnot, but this isn't. Kaya ako kaya nandyan sa isip ko yan na do not do unto others what you don't want others do unto you. Ayaw ko din po ma-scam, kaya hindi ko po gagawin ito sa inyo na may scam. Ako po ay isang guro for life na po ako, naging guro 36 years na po ako and I will not scam people. That is not my cup of tea. And I'm telling you truly and honestly po na this business is really legitimate, na makapagbibigay po sa atin ito ng passive residual income for life po, di ba? Titingin po tayo doon sa business na panghabang buhay, na magkakaroon tayo ng kita monthly po yan for life. Diba? Ito po yung gusto kong mangyari, magkaroon ng extra income monthly po for life yan, aside from the pension. Kaya po, silipin niyo po ito kung gusto niyo pong matutunan ang negosyong ito. Garantisado po yan. Ituturo ko po sa inyo lahat ng alam ko para po mapagtagumpayan ninyo ang negosyong ito. Dahil hindi ko po gagawin sa inyo na i-scam kayo na pera lang ang habol. Hindi po. Ang habol ko po dito ay maturuan, magkaroon tayo ng magandang buhay, health and wellness po. May product po kami, yes, meron. It's about health and wellness. Gaganda po ang ating klase. If you change your lifestyle, health and your lifestyle, you will change your you will prolong your life, diba? Ganyan po. Subukan nyo po. Silipin nyo lang. Alamin nyo. Etong business namin, hindi po agad cash out. Wala po kami munang ilalabas na pera. Alamin nyo po muna, saliksikin nyo po muna. Yan ang kagandahan sa business na ito. Tignan nyo muna, mag-research kayo. Pero pag, yung iba naman po kasi, pag mag-research kayo, hindi naman nag-research, pero sabi lang ng sabi na ay scam yan, hindi pa nga napapatunay, hindi pa nga nasisilip, scam na, di ba? Hindi pa nga nare-research, scam na. Hindi pa nga nakikita yung webinar kung anong negosyo ang gustong kumita pero ayaw magbigay ng time. Gustong kumita ng extra pero ayaw gawin ang dapat gawin. Ayaw gustong magbigyan ng buhay. Hindi ho pwedeng ganun na nagbigay kayo ng pera tapos babalik agad ang pera. Hindi po ganon. Hindi po ito easy success, easy money. Kasi alam po natin yan, kung easy money, easy go po yan, di ba? So, ganun po yan. Silipin nyo po muna, alamin nyo ito, mag-research kayo bago kayo magbitaw ng pera. Yan ang kagandahan sa negosyong ito. Hindi kayo kukuhanan ng pera kung hindi nyo alam ang papasukin ninyo. Okay, so yan lang po ang masasabi ko sa negosyong ito. Hindi kayo magbibitaw ng malaking halaga dito sa negosyong ito. Kung magkano ang kaya, yun lang po ang gagawin ninyo. At may financing po kami. Meron po kaming different ways on how to pay. May products, of course, kasi wala naman pong negosyo na walang produkto, di ba? At makukuha nyo ang produkto, pagkabayad ninyo, may produkto at may negosyo kayo. Ang ino-offer po namin dito ay hindi product. Kasi makikita nyo lahat ng products na yan. Pero ang ino-offer po namin dito ay negosyo. Online business, ang business model, ang compensation income na napaka-lucrative. Okay, yan po ang ino-offer dito. Kaya kung gusto nyo pong silipin ito, ask me how or follow me po. I'll see you all on the other side. Bye for now.